as the process of making coir rope begins with dried coconut husks spread across the work area. These husks have already gone through soaking and aging, so the fibers inside are loose and workable. Each husk is picked up individually and prepared for fiber extraction. The husks are fed into a rotating coir beating machine. Inside the machine, metal blades strike the husk repeatedly while the drum spins at a steady speed. This action breaks the hard outer shell and separates the long coir fibers from the soft pith. As the machine continues running, dust and short particles fall away, leaving coarse fibers behind. The extracted fibers are pulled out by hand and shaken to remove remaining pith. This cleaning step is repeated multiple times to improve fiber quality. Short or damaged fibers are discarded, while long continuous strands are kept for rope production. The cleaned fibers are then laid out and aligned in the same direction. Workers straighten the fibers manually to reduce tangling. Several handfuls of fibers are combined to form a loose bundle. This bundling step is repeated continuously as more fibers are prepared. Next, the loose fiber bundle is fed into a spinning unit. As the spindle rotates, the fibers begin twisting together. The operator controls tension by hand, ensuring the yarn does not become too loose or too tight. The twisting motion converts the loose fibers into a continuous coir yarn. As the spindle keeps rotating, the yarn grows longer and is guided forward. The operator repeatedly feeds new fiber bundles into the spinning zone to maintain an uninterrupted length. This step takes time and requires constant adjustment to keep the yarn thickness consistent. Once enough yarn is produced, it is wound onto a rotating reel. The reel spins steadily, collecting the twisted yarn into an organized coil. This winding process continues until sufficient yarn is available for rope formation. Multiple yarn strands are now taken together and guided into a rope twisting frame. Each strand enters a separate hook that rotates in the same direction. As the hooks spin, the individual yarns tighten further while being drawn forward. At the same time, the combined strands pass through a counter-twisting section. This opposite rotation locks the strands together, forming a single thick coir rope. The twisting action is continuous, and the rope length increases steadily as the machine runs. The operator closely monitors the rope as it forms. Hand adjustments are made to correct uneven sections and maintain uniform diameter. If loose fibers appear, they are smoothed into the twist while the machine is still running. As the rope reaches the desired length, the rotation is slowed. The finished section is cut, and the loose end is tied immediately